the first chapter of 12th standard. The first chapter is applications of matrices and determinants. See here, the applications of matrices and determinants. Under this heading, we are going to see the adjoint of a square matrix, inverse of a square matrix, rank of a matrix, and last the solution of linear equations. Now let us see one by one. First, we will see about adjoint of a square matrix. For finding this adjoint of a square matrix, we need to recall some concepts. What you have learned in 11th standard, they are matrix, then second one minor, third one cofactor. Now first let us see what is a matrix. Matrix already we have learnt in 11th standard. That is nothing but a rectangular arrangement of numbers in rows and columns which are enclosed by a pair of brackets. Now under this matrix we have seen many types. One of the types is a square matrix. Square matrix. Now let us see what is a square matrix. Square matrix is a matrix whose number of rows and number of columns are equal. For example, you can take a matrix capital A whose elements are Aij, then number of rows equal to number of columns. Therefore, we can call it as what? N by n square matrix. Now this is a matrix of order n by n whose elements are Aij. Now A is equal to a square matrix of order n, Aij. The minor of this element Aij is denoted by Mij. This is minor. Now, how do you find this minor for each and every element? Means first we have to find a determinant by deleting the ith row and the jth column in which the element Aij stands. Now let us see with an example. Let us consider a 2 by 2 matrix. Capital A is equal to 3, 4, 7, minus 2. Now it is a 2 by 2 matrix. Here we have 4 elements. For these 4 elements we can find the minor. The position of this element 3 is A11 because it stands in the first row, first column. Now this element 4 stands in the first row, second column. Hence denoted by A12. Now the element 7 is standing in the second row, first column, hence denoted by A21. Now this element minus 2 stands in the second row, second column, hence denoted by A22. Now for these 4 elements, how do you find the minor? Now let us consider the minor of the element 3, which is denoted by M11, which is denoted by M11. Now which is a determinant obtained by deleting the first row, first column. You delete the first row and the first column, the element left is minus 2. Now this will be equal to minus 2. Now likewise we can find the minor of the element 4, which is denoted by M12, which is equal to a determinant is obtained by deleting the first row, second column. First row, second column, then the element is 7. Then we can write 7. Now, minor of the element 7 is denoted by M21, which is a determinant obtained by deleting the second row, first column. Delete the second row, first column, then we can choose the element 4. Now, minor of the element minus 2 is denoted by M22, which is a determinant obtained by deleting the second row, second column. Leave second row, second column, then you can choose the element 3. Now likewise we can find the minors. Okay, now after finding this minors, we can see the next concept, cofactor. Cofactor. Then how do you find a cofactor? What is a cofactor? Cofactor is nothing but a signed minor. Now the cofactors are denoted by capital Aij or Cij. Now this can be obtained by assigning either minus sign or plus sign according to the value of I plus j to the minus mij. Now this mij is negative if I plus j is an odd number, and this mij is positive if I plus j is an even number. Now these are the two signs we are going to assign for this minor to get this corresponding cofactors. That is, I plus j is an odd number, then we can assign minus sign. If I plus j is an even number, then we can assign plus sign. Now let us see the minors and the cofactors for the same matrix. Now already we have found the minors. Now let us see how to find the cofactors. Now cofactor for this matrix is obtained by assigning this sign. That is, let us find what my cofactor of the first element 3. Cofactor of 3 is denoted by A11, which is equal to 1 plus 1 is an even number equal to 2. Therefore, we can assign a positive sign to this minor. Then how we get this minor means you leave first row, first column. What's the minor? Minus 2, which is equal to minus 2 we can say. Now cofactor of the element 4 we can say, which is equal to A12. This 1 plus 2 is an odd number, hence we can assign minus, and that is 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 3 is an odd number, you can assign what? Minus sign. Then this can be obtained by deleting the first row, second column. Leave first row, second column, you can get 7. Now you can write 7, which is equal to minus 7. Likewise, you can find cofactor of the element 7. It is denoted by A21. Since it is standing in the second row, first column, this 2 plus 1 equal to 3 is an odd number. Hence, you can assign minus sign. Then find the determinant minor by deleting second row, first column. Second row, first column, you can get 4. Now, which is equal to minus 4, you can say. Then after that, we can find the cofactor of the element minus 2, which is denoted by A22, which is equal to 2 plus 2 equal to 4. It is an even number, hence we can assign plus sign. Then we can find corresponding minor by deleting second row, second column, we can get 3. Now we can write 3 here, now which is equal to 3, you can say. It's equal to 3. Now likewise we can find the cofactors. Now just what I have done, we have assigned the signs for these minors according to their position. Okay. Now after finding this cofactor matrix, we need to find what adjoint of a matrix. Then how do you find the adjoint? That is adjoint. Before seeing the adjoint of a matrix, let us see what is cofactor matrix. Now see cofactor matrix. Now what is a cofactor matrix? The matrix obtained by the cofactors of these elements of the matrix A is called a cofactor matrix. Now the cofactor matrix is denoted by either Aij within a bracket, or you can say AC. AC means cofactor matrix of the matrix A. Now which is obtained by writing their corresponding cofactors. See, what is cofactor of 3 means minus 2, first element. What is second element? 4. Cofactor of 4 is minus 7. You can write minus 7. Then cofactor of the element 7 is minus 4. Then you can write a cofactor of the element minus 2 equal to 3. Yes, likewise you can find the cofactor matrix. This matrix obtained with the help of the corresponding cofactors is called a cofactor matrix. Now with the help of this cofactor matrix, we can next find the adjoint of a matrix. Now let us see what is adjoint of a matrix. for the 2 by 2 matrix. Adjoint. For finding adjoint, let us assume capital A be a square matrix of order n whose elements are Aij. Now, what is cofactor matrix? Equal to Aij, or you can say as what? AC. Now we have to find what adjoint of this matrix. Adjoint of the matrix denoted by Adj of the matrix A, which is nothing but the transpose of the cofactor matrix. Or you can write this as ACT. There is nothing but the transpose of the cofactor matrix of A. Now this is the formula we need to find the adjoint of a matrix. Now let us see how to find adjoint of a matrix for a 2 by 2 matrix. Now let us consider a 2 by 2 matrix. It is a 2 by 2 matrix. First, for finding the adjoint of this matrix, we need to find the cofactors. You know that cofactors are denoted by A11. That is, A1 means cofactor of the element 2, which is standing in the first row, first column. That is A11, which is equal to first 1 plus 1 equal to 2 is an even number. Therefore, you can say plus sign. Then we find corresponding minor by leaving first row, first column. We can get 5, which is equal to 5. Now, A12, which is nothing but a cofactor of the element minus 3, which stands in this first row, second column. Therefore, this 1 plus 2 equal to 3 is an odd number. Hence, we can assign minus sign. Then we can get the minor by leaving the first row, second column. Leave first row, second column. You can get 4, which is equal to minus 4. Now, we can find A21. A2 is nothing but the cofactor of the element 4, which stands in the second row, first column. Now 2 plus 1 equal to 3 is an odd number, hence we can assign minus sign. Then we can find the minor by deleting second row, first column. Then you can get minus 3. Then minus of minus 3 equal to plus 3, we can say. Now A22, that is 2 plus 2 equal to 4 is an even number, hence we can assign plus sign. Then we can find the minor by leaving the second row, second column. Then we can take 2, now which is the cofactor of the element 5, now which is equal to 2. Now after that we can write a cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix, that we can write Aij, which is equal to, write the corresponding cofactors in 2 by 2 form. The cofactor of the first element A1 is 5, cofactor of minus 3 is minus 4, cofactor of 4 is 3, cofactor of 5 is 2. Now this is cofactor matrix. After that we can find adjoint. The adjoint of the matrix A is denoted by adjoint of A, which is equal to transpose of the cofactor matrix Aij. Now look at this cofactor matrix. You can take 5 minus 4, then 3, 2. For this matrix we have to take transpose. Now transpose means we have to interchange the rows and columns. Therefore, the first row can be written as a first column. We can write 5 minus 4. The second row can be written as second column. We can write 3, 2. Now this is called the adjoint of the matrix A. Likewise, we can find the adjoint for all the 2 by 2 square matrices. Now, this is a basic method how to find adjoint of a 2 by 2 square matrix. Now, this is a lengthy process. We need not do all such steps to find the adjoint of a 2 by 2 matrix. We can find adjoint of 2 by 2 matrix with no time. Now, let us see how to find in another way. That is shortcut method. shortcut method. Now, again, let us assume the 2 by 2 matrix, capital A is equal to 2 minus 3, then 4, 5. Now, this is a 2 by 2 matrix. Now, for this 2 by 2 matrix, we can write the adjoint of this matrix directly as adjoint of the matrix A is equal to, it is also again 2 by 2 matrix. Now, in this square matrix, we have two diagonals. The first diagonal is this. This is called a principal diagonal or leading diagonal. Now, the another diagonal is called the anti-diagonal. Now, this thing is called the anti-diagonal. Now, there are two diagonals. First, you have to concentrate on this principal diagonal. What are the elements in the principal diagonal? 2 and 5. Just interchange these two elements. You can take here 5 and here 2. Now we have interchanged the leading diagonal elements. After that, just you have to change the sign of the anti-diagonal elements. Now see here we have minus 3, therefore we can write plus 3. Since it is plus 4, you have to write minus 4. Here in the anti-diagonal, you have to just change the sign, not the elements. You do not interchange the elements. Just you can change the signs of these elements. Now we got the adjoint of this matrix A with no type. That is 5, 3 minus 4, 2. Now compare the adjoint obtained this lengthy process. Adjoint A equal to 5, 3 minus 4 minus 2. Both are same. Therefore, if it is a 2 by 2 matrix, this is the easiest method. Okay, now today we have seen only adjoint of a 2 by 2 matrix. For likewise, you can do many problems which are given in your textbook. Choose 2 by 2 matrices and find the adjoint for them. Already I have sent to you through WhatsApp the materials of this first chapter. Now, next class we will see about adjoint of a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, till then you practice. You will see next class. Thank you.